In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own frames on Canva. Select an image or shape you like to turn into a frame. Here I selected an image because that's what I'd love to work with. Then click Edit Photo. Select BG Remover. Then download the image as a PNG but with the option of transparent background. The next step will be to go to photopea.com. I already have mine open on a tab, so I'll just get right into it. Select Open Computer and import the image that you have just downloaded. Then, click on Layers. Go to Background and hold down your Control key while clicking on Background. Then select Paths and select the third icon below which says Selection to Paths. Then to the top, select Layers and then select Vector Marks. Select Current Paths and then go to Files and select Export as PDF. Then save and download. From your downloads, drag the documents to the tab where you have your Home Canva page open. On the Home Canva page, the image will automatically be uploaded. Then click on the project, highlight image and select detach image. The image will automatically detach from the frame, and that's about it. That's how you create your own frame on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.